Hi guys, welcome to the copywriting course. Congratulations to you if you made it here. Looks like Santa came a little early. Now, this is basically my parting gift. As most of you know, I'll be leaving the the planet for like a couple of months. Yeah, I'll be leaving social media for like a couple of months, and I just needed to drop this for you to at least learn something new for the year and be able to prepare yourself for a new year. I mean, a lot of people have been wanting to learn copywriting and all of that stuff. So yeah. So basically see this as a New Year's gift or a festive gift, basically. So now let me dive quickly into it before we get into the course. I want you to know what the course is about. Now, basically, this course is actually a combination of the different classes on copywriting I have taken. Now, there was a particular class I took while I was in service, copywriting students and all that. That was Copper Skiller Bootcamp. Then we had that, and then some part of it was from my copywriting mastermind that sells for 35K and all stuff. So basically, in this course, you might be noticing that there is a merging of a particular part of video with another video. So the reason I'm doing that is so that we can actually create the best teaching and the best result for you, basically. So I chose the best of both recording, both classes, merge it so that it can aid your understanding, right? Another thing is you might notice that the courses, the recordings are a little bit long. The reason for this is so that it will be explicit, so that there will be nothing that you have to guess. I don't want you to have to be guessing about a particular thing or not being sure about a particular thing here. So to avoid any guesswork and to make sure it is clear and lucid, that is why it is like this. And lastly, I want you to take note of the fact that you don't become a copywriter by just watching courses. You can run through this entire course. I'll still talk about this at the end, but you can run through this entire course, but if you don't practice, at the end of the day, it's all nothing. You all did it for nothing. So basically that's that. So second one is this course is not a hack or a formula. While there are formulas, people that will be teaching you formulas and all of that, you could work with formulas and still, if you don't know the basics, if you don't know the fundamentals, if you don't know the important things, you'll still find yourself stuck or being too dependent on formulas, and then your writing sounds really basic and it doesn't seem like something, it lacks originality in a sense. So instead of hacks or formulas, although there are some hacks and formulas that were discussed, but then I did not, this course is not promising to teach you just hacks and formulas. It is basically geared towards teaching you copywriting rather than the hacks and the formulas. So with that said, let's get right into it and let's see you in class. Yeah.